Of course I'm getting a shitty internet. Let's just wait for it to get better. Wait a second. Alright, it's decent now. Hello everybody. Uh, Whoever's watching this video. I look kind of scary right now, but I'm pretty serious. So basically in this stream, what I'm actually going to be doing is that I messed up. Okay, I didn't get the best grades. Well, let's just say I failed. So I'm trying to better myself, and I have to study since I have no way out. No talent, no nothing. I got nothing, bro. That ass, like, well, who am I, bro? Who the fuck am I? I got no way out. So all I gotta do is actually study. So I got all this paper and pencil with me. Alright, and I'm serious about it. I got, I got, I got the subject maths, which I want to study right now. Okay, which I have to. Um, so this stream is basically gonna be like that. That I have to force myself to study. I have to do whatever I can, so I can just study. God, I look ugly, bro. I look so weird today. Alright, so I was just oh shit. I don't give a wait, did y'all see my IP? Bro, who? Alright. So these are the notes which I'm using. So the chapter. Alright. This headphones, bro. I don't like these headphones, bro. Alright. So the chapter I'm gonna be studying right now is that I'm going to be studying differentiation. Differentiation. Alright, I'm gonna be. So these are all the chapters I have to do. These are all the chapters I have to do. All the questions I have to do. I'm starting from all the way to the chapters that are really important. I'm gonna start from differentiation, then I'm gonna go to integration, then I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna go to functions, and then I'm gonna go there, and so on, so on. So I'm going to be studying type 1. Yeah, we're gonna be doing this. So basically what I've learned from now is that there's a box. Like what we differentiation is basically gradient of a graph. And what I learned is that there's a chain rule, there's a power rule, and there's a sorry about that. So there's this rule that when there's the power on the box, you take the power out and then you minus it, and then you get multiplied with whatever was in the box. And we know that if there's like x, there's like a 2x, and there's gonna be 2, etc, etc. But there's like only 7, and there's x, like there's no coefficient, and it's gonna be multiplied by 1. Well, the thing is that I don't understand why didn't. Okay, fuck that. All right, so we get that. We get the idea now. We can now differentiate in the denominator. We had that checked out. Now we get type 1 gradients and equations of tangent and normal. Okay, so yeah. So there's this question which is saying y is equals to. It's gonna be teaching us. So y is equals to x squared minus 6x plus 3. And there's 2x. Wait, what? Okay, so we apply that rule. Like, if it's 2 and then x and to the power of 1, and then like multiply by 1 minus 6 and then plus 0. So we got this. This is divided by x. And then we're saying find the gradient of tangent to the curve at x is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. So we will just plug in 4 dy by dx 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 minus 6, and it's going to give us tangent. The tangent. Find the gradient. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to curve at x is equal to 4. We have to find the equation. So for y coordinate, we have to put, like, if there's we got that 2, right? For the y coordinate, we have to put x is equals to 4 in equation of curve. So y is equals to x squared minus 6x plus 3 was the original shit, right? Then we're gonna put 4, and then we're gonna get this negative 5, and then mt is equals to this. So we're just gonna apply the y minus y1 is equals to m, and then x minus x1. And we're gonna get that y plus 5 is equals to 2x minus 8. And y is equals to 2x minus 13. This is some differentiation shit. Okay, so now we have find equation of normal to curve at x is equals to 4. We have a tangent. Okay, so what is this question asking us? We have to find the equation of the normal. So what is the equation of the normal? So there's the tangent and then there's the normal. Tangent and normal are actually perpendicular. So there's going to be a negative reciprocal. So mn is equals to negative 1 over 2 because mt is equals to 2. So it's the negative reciprocal. And p, what is p? P is 4 and negative 5 because we found it here. Like the coordinates of P, the perpendicular is going to be the same. Y minus y1, we got this 2y is equal to negative x minus 6. And then there's this, the equation of a curve is y is equals to 12x squared plus 3. We have to obtain an expression for dy by dx. Find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point. Okay, so we got it. Now, what is it asking us? What is this question asking us? So there's the part 1. The part 1 is saying obtain an expression for dy by dx, meaning we have to differentiate 12 over x squared plus 3. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna shift that above because we can differentiate in the denominator. 12x squared plus 3, and then we gotta get negative 1 as the rule. There's going to be negative 1 here as well. Oh, there's already negative 1, so there's 12 negative 1, and then negative 2 there. And then there's going to be, we're going to use the positive. Like there's, wait, what? Multiplied by, wait, what the hell is this? Wait, what? I don't, huh? X squared is 2 to the power of x. Wait, what? What the Wait, I don't get this. What is this? I'm having some issues. Wait. So there's, we differentiated it by negative 1 here, we'll put here, and then we got x squared plus 3, and then we put negative 2 multiplied by that. Why is x squared? Okay, so we're differentiating inside differentiating. Okay, I see. X squared is basically 2x, so it's gonna be 2x. Yeah, x squared is basically 2x. X cubed is basically 3x. Oh, now I see. See, if you put your brain into the power, if you put your brain into the paper, if you put your brain into the equation, if you put your brain into what you're solving right now and think logically, you can actually think. And you know what helps me think? Me talking it out loud. Me being my own teacher. That's what helps me. And that's what helps you. Yeah. That's what should help you too. Alright, without any time wasted. Now we have dy by dx is equal to this. So we're just doing all this and we got that. We got this expression. Now we have to find the equation of the normal to the curve at this. For the equation of the normal, we have to find the tangent. So this is the gradient of the tangent. And the gradient of the tangent is basically negative that. Negative that equation, bam, and get that. Okay. And then there's type 2, stationary points and nature. Stationary point. Stationary point. There's stationary point, there's turning point, there's maximum point, there's minimum point, there's vertex point, there's critical point. There's stationary point, there's turning point, there's maximum point, minimum point, vertex. Alright. So I already know that this is the minimum nature where the gradient of tangent is 0. There's the max greater than tangent 0, dy by dx is 0. Minimum maximum points, at minimum maximum points, the gradient of tangent is 0. So this is the double derivative. Nature is y, differentiated is dy by dx, and then if that is differentiated, it's gonna be d2y over dx2. So if wait, what? If that is positive, then positive and minimum. If this value is positive, then the graph is minimum, meaning this curve. If this is negative, then that's maximum. Okay, which is the same. This is this column. Now there's a question. The equation of a curve is y is equals to 2x minus 3. Express dy at dx and d2y in terms of x. So first of all, we're going to differentiate this question. Y is equals to 2x minus 3 to the power 3 minus 6x. dy by dx is going to be 3. We did 3, 2x minus 3, and then 2, and then we get 2, because this is 2. The coefficient is then, that's a lone constant, so we're not going to put that. And we're going to put minus 6. dy by dx is equals to 6, 2x minus 3, 2, minus 6. But that's what we got. 3 multiplied by 2, and then 6, and then we get the minus 6. So now we have dy by dx is equal to 6, and then we have 2x minus 3, and this is the question. Now we're going to further differentiate it. For this part, I'm not gonna say anything because I already know what's gonna happen. Give me a second. What the fuck? Why is it glued? Alright. Look at all these pens, bro. Look at all these pens I got. Look at all this. It still works. What did I do, bro? Didn't study enough. Alright. After this, we're gonna be solving a question. Finally test our abilities. dy by dx is equal to, so we further differentiated it, and then we got this equation. Now as this is, now we're gonna put the x value in. Now we're gonna put dy by dx is equal to 0. When we put it 0, wait, what did we say that? Okay, so if wait, what is it? It's maximum point and minimum point. Dy by dx is equal to 0. Dy by dx is equal to 0, and then we get that, and then we applied it. Wait, why are, okay, so we're solving an equation. Now we get 2x minus 3 is equal to plus minus 1. So 2x minus 3 and this x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Nature, x is equal to 1 of x is equal to 1's nature is negative 24. X is equal to 2's nature is positive 24. Now we're gonna solve this question all ourselves. Curve has an curve has an equation y is equal to 1 over x minus 3 plus x. We have to find the dy by dx in this. What the So we're going to be solving this. We're going to be solving question number 20 without looking at it. So, so the curve has a question, y is equals to negative 1 over x minus 3. So plus x. Now we have to find d. We have to find dy by dx and d2 to determine its nature. Alright, dy by dx. So for that, we're gonna apply the x minus 3, and that is, and the power is 0, so wait, what? I don't understand this. Wait, there's, if we, wait, now hold up. A curve has a equation y is equals to 1 over x minus 3 plus x. If we go up, how did he solve this? 2x minus 3 to the power of 3. But there's no power there. It's x, wait. 1x minus 3 plus x. If we shift it up, wait, how do we differentiate this? There's no way I can solve this. How the There's no... You gotta be kidding... Wait. You gotta be kidding with me. There's no way I can solve this? Don't tell me I can't solve this, bro. Y is equals to 1 over x minus 3 plus x. Can't be this dumb. What is it? How do I do it, bro? How do I do it? Tell me now, how do I do it? I can't think of anything. Tell me. Tell me how you solve this shit. Tell me how you I broke my tooth. I broke my fucking tooth. I don't know how to solve fucking There's no way. Yeah, so that was a total disaster. Total disaster.